this song. Well, I'm sick and tired of this, man. I'm fed up right now. I think my girl has an addiction, but she tells me it's not an addiction, but I think it is. Man, y'all just gotta see it for yourself. Like, I'm gonna just set the camera down so I can just really see what's going on. And just set it down.
What the? Why would he put the camera down here? Doesn't he know it could get wet? Ugh. Just put that away.
What the?
What?
Where were you?
I was around.
What is all this milk on the floor? She done got under the bed. Do y'all see what I be talking about? She don't even know the camera is here, but do y'all see what I be talking about? This girl's crazy. Come on, babe, I got a dough for you.
Thank you.
Let me set it up right here. Oh yeah, babe, I seen you left your phone on the bed. You need it or you gonna leave it?
Oh yeah. Can you please get that for me?
Alright, I got you.
Thank you, baby.
First time, but it's good right here. Hey, look, we about to go out again, and I know I sense something is about to go on, and she just always do it, so I know she about to do some crazy stuff. So I'm gonna leave right here, and she about to get in and watch. Tell me, watch. Got your phone. Hey, what the hell, babe? You was dripping milk in here again?
No, I didn't.
Come on, you can't be doing that every time. Man, I knew you was doing. Look, you spilled milk. Look, you spilled milk right here.
It's
Come
not
on,
that
look. You was dripping milk here.
Babe, just clean up.
I'm about to get you out of here. You about to get out. You got to go. And you almost wet the camera and everything you got.
To the free throw line, Johnson disagrees.
Why you getting over here? Because then I'll have to wash it. So I'd rather. You know?
Alright. Hey, how y'all doing? Y'all can see me? Alright. Alright, today I'm doing something else. Like, really, I'm trying to catch her again. But She don't know that the camera's on, so I'm just tell her that I'm looking for something under the bed, right? So don't say nothing. Just shh. She won't know. She'll just be like, "Jack." And you know, feel me? So let me fix it up real good.
Why is my light on?
I'm looking for something under the bed. You're not gonna be doing that today. Why you got the milk and cereal in your hand?
Doing what?
Listen, you can eat the cereal, but you don't need the milk right now. So whatever you about to do.
What do you mean I don't need the milk? How am I supposed to eat it?
Let me get this, because you're not gonna be causing a spill in this room today.
Whatever.
It's not my door.
Whatever.
Babe? Babe?
Yeah.
Who the hell in here? Who just closed this door? Babe, where you at?
I'm right here.
Right where? Babe? What the? I thought I took the milk from you.
What milk?
What is you doing? Look at that spill on the floor.
What are you what spill?
You just brought the milk in here and I just took that from you. What are you doing?
Okay. I had enough milk in here.
Sick. Tell you. Just sick. Alright, let me set this thing up right here. Gotta see if it catches her.
Gotta get my phone.
You know, she about that short, you know what I'm saying? So.
Oh yeah. A long time. What? What's my show?